Hello guys, my name is Don and you're watching my channel Don Astronomy. I've just bought myself a pelican case to put all my my equipment in, so I can put my Sky Adventurer GTI mounts in here. I can put my telescope, my cameras, all my accessories that I need basically to go out and do a shoot with. The only thing that I can't fit in here is my tripod. It's too big. So this is a tripod that comes with the Sky Adventurer GTI. So what I need to do is cut this down. It's 530 millimeters the inside diameter of this pelican case, and the tripod length itself is 740, so I've got to cut 210 millimeters off this. Now in doing so, my warranty's out the door, for the tripod at least. But it doesn't concern me too much, because for me, I just want to be able to get the portability of everything in the one little suitcase to make it, and I would rather that sacrifice the length of the tripod, because I don't normally have the tripod full height anyway. I find that it's more unstable, prone to wind. I always have my tripod fairly low to the ground as I can, just for stability, so it's not really going to concern me too much, and hopefully that's not going to be an issue. So if anyone's thinking of doing a similar thing but just don't want to screw their tripod up, let me do it for you. I'm going to destroy this, and well, hopefully I won't destroy it. Hopefully I will make this work, and you guys will be able to get something out of it. But if I destroy it, well, I'm out of pocket, and that'll be a shame, so because I don't have a lot of money at the moment. Okay, let's start. So the idea with this is we have to get rid of 210 millimeters. Now you've got this locking mechanism in here, and we don't really want to fool around with that too much, because we don't know what's in there if we start messing around and undoing all these things and pulling them apart. So my idea is, I think I'm going to take this apart, take it off there, cut 210 mil from this end, so it's leaving this end intact, and then with this end here I will then cut 210 millimeters off that. So I'll have to drill out these pot rivets that are on here, and then cut 210 meters off this end, put that back on, and that way I shouldn't have to touch this mechanism. We'll see how we go. Right, size guessing game. Let's start and loosen these screws here, which clamp down the tripod legs, so hopefully I can slide them out once I get them off. Okay, that appears to be better. Now, not sure what size that is. Let's have a look. About 4 mil. 4 millimeters is what you need there. Allen key. And that should loosen off. That's riveted there. Okay, that's good. I'm also going to have to take, by the look at that, I'm going to have to take these completely out as well. This one is really stiff, really tight. Okay, take that one off there. So, looks like there's rivets there as well. So that'll have to be drilled out to cut the 210 off this end. And then I'll have to drill it, put new rivets back in. And the same on this end as before, I have to take those rivets out, drill them out. So I will take these all to the workshop now. So one thing I'm taking note of here, just to keep it all consistent, is that there's a line through there. So those rivets down the end, they all line up. So I've got to remember that when after I drill them out and cut it. You can see the same on that one as well. I'm actually going to take 215 millimeters off that, just to be sure, and I'll do that to the rest of them. Okay, so now it's time to file all the ends. So I've done my 6 cuts, 3 on each end, and I'm going to file all these down now. And there's no need for you guys to see this boring part, so we'll just skip to reassembling it. Right. Time to put it all back together. Okay, there she is, moment of truth. Which way? Look at that, snug as a bug.